In this video, I'll share my favorite keyboard shortcuts in Word from Ctrl A all the way to Z, and even with a few bonus goodies. You can download my free keyboard shortcut cheat sheet in the description for quick reference. Let's get started. Ctrl A, select all document contents. Ctrl B, apply bold formatting to selected text, like a boss. Ctrl C, copy selected text or images. If we check in a clipboard, we'll see the text we just copied. Here is it. Ctrl D invokes the font dialog box. You can choose a font style, font size, and set as default. Ctrl E to center the paragraph. Ctrl F, find a word or phrase. Ctrl G opens the Go To dialog box. This allows you to enter specific page number, line number, or character number. Ctrl H to bring up the Find and Replace dialog box. This allows you to search for a specific word or phrase and replace it with another. Ctrl I, apply italic formatting to selected text instantly. Ctrl J, justify the paragraph. Ctrl K, to insert a hyperlink. Ctrl L, align the paragraph to the left. Ctrl M, indent the paragraph. Ctrl N, create a new document. Ctrl O, open a new document. Browse to where the document is saved. Ctrl P, print the document. And click Print. Ctrl Q, remove paragraph formatting. Ctrl R, align the paragraph to the right. Ctrl S, save a document. If the document is not previously saved, you'll be prompted to save it with a name. Ctrl T, create a hanging indent. Ctrl U, apply underline formatting to text. Ctrl V, paste what you've cut or copied. That's the text we earlier copied. Ctrl W to close the document. Ctrl X, cut the selected text or images. Ctrl Y, redo previous action. Ctrl Z, undo previous action. Ctrl 1, apply single spacing to paragraph. Ctrl 2, apply double spacing to paragraph. Ctrl 5, apply 1.5 spacing to paragraph. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more time-saving tips and tricks. See you in the next video.